Look at this, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. I have got into this one down in Birkenhead. Here we go. I've no idea what it is, but I spotted it yesterday. Must have been some sort of club. Oh, it's well trashed in here now. Ooh, mashed up in here, bruv. This is mad. Wow. So we take a look up there on the stage. Look at this. Old projector thing there. So they must have done like rock venues here and stuff. Well, it must have been a rock venue, I should say. Look at this. It is, man. Ooh. Old lights. Let's go behind the bar. And have a look round here. Oh, got a bit of that crap on me climbing over. We will go and take a look at them stairs in a minute. What's round here? That was just the toilets. Right, so I think we'll go and have a look at them stairs first. Easy one for Charlie boy, this. Look at these stairs, man. So this is in Birkenhead. If you know what this was and you're watching this video, please let me know in the comments below. So it did go up there, and I'm imagining there was another floor there. Look at this. All done in. It goes back there, but I'm not going to trust the floors. As you can see, they are a little bit sketchy for me. Look at that. Wow. Little mad one this. Don't know if you can see there, under that door there, can't see it on camera, there's a big hole. And we've got all this here hanging down. Wow. I don't think I really want to go much further. That's the same room, I believe. Wow. Is that well mad? I mean, look at this here. It is wrecked, man. Yep, wrecked beyond belief. Yeah. Wow. Nothing much to see in this one. Really, bit of a shell. That leaded window there. That's pretty cool. And we've got this room here. Wow. Yeah, I'm not about to go in that room there. Oh, I'll stand here. Oh, ceiling's all hanging down. You're watching this, Charlie boy. This was an easy one down in Birkenhead. These stairs here, man. Come on. Like how they curve. Well, that was an easy one. That's how we like them, nice and easy. It's hard, there's still some remnants of towels there. And you've got more over there at the fireplace. And that's where I came in. But I do think, what's over there? Let's have a look. Look, then we'll get out of here. So that must have been like a beer garden or something. Full of bird crap. On there for you, Charlie boy. Speaker. Yeah. Not much in there. That's the old boiler there. Happy days. So now we're gonna go see if we can get some outside pictures. I wonder, like, if I have to climb. I don't think I'll need to climb that bloody wall again, will I? I'll come this way through the jungle and get some outside shots for you. It's sunny. Oh, why didn't I just go that way in before? If you come to this, don't go there and in. Go here and you'll see it. Mad. Otherwise you'll get vandal grease all over you like I did. But I am going to go out the normal way. Look at this, I don't know what it was. No idea. I'm going to try now. Get an outside shot here of the gas. Get that. Got a boom. Right, well, I think that's going to be it for this one. If you've enjoyed the video, please don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumb up, and click notifications, so you'll be notified every time I do an upload. So until the next one, enjoy yourselves, have a great day, and I'll see you soon. Peace out.